In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Destiny Rising here on your PC. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But this is going to be a full guide on how you can play Destiny Rising here on your PC or on your laptop. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you would like. And you're going to want to go to a specific website. This is going to be mumuplayer.com. Go ahead and type that into your search bar, hit enter, and then hit download on this page for Windows. Now, if you're on a Mac OS, go ahead and download it for a Mac. If you're on an iOS, unfortunately, you can't do this yet, but this could work with other emulators as well. It's worth giving it a shot. I'm going to try and make a specific guide for these platforms, so stay tuned for that. But once it does download for you, go ahead and open up the installer and go through the installation process by hitting yes, install now, and then just waiting for it to download. After it does download for you, it's going to look something like this. You're going to want to hit this little play button just like so to begin loading into an Android device. Now, if you get an error that looks something like this, you do need to enable virtualization. This is super easy to go ahead and do, but it's different on every single platform. So I recommend looking up a specific guide for turning on virtualization for your platform. You do need to go into the BIOS of your PC a lot. If you click enable VT, it'll kind of walk you through a guide right here, but you do need to have virtualization enabled. After you do get virtualization enabled, you'll be able to hit play on this again, and it's going to begin loading you in to the emulator. And within that emulator, you'll see a Google Play Store. Click it and sign in with your Google account. And now that you are in the Google Play Store and signed in, just search for Destiny Rising and tap install. And the game's going to begin downloading and installing just like it would on any other phone. Now, before you do get into it, I recommend changing a few basic settings. You can click on these three dots here and it's going to pull up a little page. It looks like this. Go ahead and select device settings. And you're going to want to change a few different things. Under the performance settings right here, you're going to want to make sure that you select high if you do have a good PC, or medium or low if your PC is just a little bit older. In the graphics tab, select Vulkan up here if you do have the option for it. This is just going to give you smoother gameplay. You can also adjust the resolution as well within display to 1920 by 1080, which is what I recommend. And obviously make sure that you set the FPS to 60 or even as high as you possibly can. I will say the game only does support 60 FPS max, so I would only keep it at 60, but it's completely up to you. It does try and upscale in this, so you can set it to 120 if you want to try and get that upscale. But once again, the game really only runs at a max of 60, so it's not really worth changing it too much. But yeah, those are the settings that I would recommend if you want this to play as good as possible. I will say mumuplayer also does support controllers, but you can also map mouse and keyboard controls if you'd rather have that. But once you have all those settings configured, you just got to load in and download Destiny Rising off the Google Play Store, just like it does on mobile. And it's going to run way better on your computer. But that's it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.